Citizen Donald Trump facing an onslaught of legal trouble. In New York, the DA closing in on his money. And here's his new defense. Lawyers arguing that because he's not president, his tax returns should be off limits. A New York state law known as the Trust Act allows for the release of his tax returns to congressional committees. The irony here, invoking the fact that he's no longer president. Donald Trump spent 4 years, though, acting that basically, like being president, should shield him from any legal oversight. Now he's saying, well, he's just a citizen, so the taxes should not be got this way by investigators or by the Congress. Meanwhile, Trump's former lawyer, Michael Cohen, expected to meet with the New York prosecution team for a 9th time. That is a lot of meetings. The DA also looking into claims Cohen made that Trump manipulated the value of his real estate assets in order to benefit himself. The DA's office has seized, we know this, boxes and boxes of evidence, financial records, and a laptop from someone named Jennifer Weisselberg. She is the daughter-in-law of Trump's CFO, Alan Weisselberg. And here is what Cohen told me.
The district attorney's office has millions of pages of documents without the documents provided by Jen Weisselberg, without the additional documents that I am providing and have provided. The truth will always come out, to which case it doesn't matter who your lawyer is.
Doesn't matter who your lawyer is. In this instance, the lawyer is criminal defense attorney Ronald Fischetti, who is representing the Trump organization. That's another sign that this is serious business. You can't just talk or tweet your way out of something when you have to hire lawyers to deal with a real open criminal probe in New York. Now, we've been pulling on all these threads. Then there's the updates out of Georgia, where there's a separate criminal probe into the insurrection. And an interesting comment from a federal judge who was presiding over the case of one of the accused Capitol rioters. The judge warning Donald Trump that he may soon be facing legal consequences for his own actions on January 6th. We're going to keep covering all of this. The fact is that Donald Trump had one of the most unusual, most polarizing, and at times, yes, most violent eras of a presidency in our history in terms of things that happened as a direct or foreseeable consequence of the president's actions. Now we're seeing from his private life and his money all the way down to those final desperate days in office when he was trying to cling on to power, when he was saying out loud to the country, find me the votes, let's end this democracy. All of this may catch up with him in a courtroom near you. Hey, I'm Ari Melber from MSNBC. You can see more of our videos right here, or better yet, subscribe to our YouTube channel below. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with us, and we appreciate that.